guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video you can see that I am wearing this beautiful glammed up soft look, and this is something you can obviously carry on a daily basis, like on everyday basis if you want to. Otherwise you can really just a little bit intensify it using more colors and really make it a little bit darker than usual if you're planning to go out or if you're planning to go on a date. At the end of the day, it is very soft and feminine kind of look which you can definitely carry on a daily basis. If you guys are interested to know how I achieved this beautiful brown smoky, then please keep on watching. Before we get any further with the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, don't forget about it, and also please make sure to turn on the bell notification so you guys never miss an update from my side. Mwah! That being said, let's hop on to the video. Starting with the bare face, I'm so cute. For my moisturizer, I'm using this Biotique's Morning Nectar. It is very hydrating and moisturizing at the same time, applying it all over my face and neck area. For my primer, I'm going to be using this Smashbox Super Light Primer, applying it to the areas where it should be on. For my lips, I'm just going to use this Body Shop Lip Balm. I think this one is in flavor Raspberry. Going to be using this PAC 265 brush a lot for blending purposes. For my base, I'm starting with obviously some sunscreen. It is very important to use a sunscreen, you guys. I like to apply it underneath my makeup, make sure it's non-greasy and doesn't leave a white cast. Going in with this Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline and applying it under my eyes and on my lids, as well as a little bit on the forehead to even out the tone there. Once that is well blended, I'm going to use the rest of the product that is on the brush around the other parts of my face. I'm going to be using a cream foundation today, and this is from Forever 52, you guys. You can directly swatch it onto your face, but I am a professional artist, so I'm just going to scrape some of a plate like so and going to blend. Once I've picked up the product on the brush, I'm just going to stipple it around all over my face wherever I need the product to be. For the areas where you're looking to have more coverage, just stipple and pack the product. Do not buff too much. For my blush, I'm going in with a pretty pink lipstick, and that's what you are seeing on the screen that I'm using. For my contour and a little bit of bronzing up, I'm using this Kiko Milano's Waterflower pigments. These are so blendable and so pigmented. So just going on to the areas where I would generally go for contouring and just bronzing up and warming up my skin. Cream products really do mimic the skin, and that's why it ends up looking so natural. But it's very necessary to set the product in. For that, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me's loose foundation powder and setting all the areas. I love to use banana powders underneath my eye area to really give that lifted and very brightened look. This is the Hoola bronzer from Benefit, and it is so warm and so beautiful. Just a little bit of that product goes a long way and really gives out this warmness to your face. Let's put some shine on me. For that, we're gonna use this Wet n Wild highlighter and wow, this powder is so blendable and so easy to place. I am just in love with this. I'm going to go on to all of the high points, but I'm not going too much with the highlighter, because if you go too harsh with that, then it might make you look very greasy and oily. So avoid doing that. Be very light-handed. We're going to be working with this Revolution's Kesu palette. It's a pretty pink palette. It's really cute. I'm going to be using Vampire and Clumsy from this palette. Going to pack some of that Vampire shade onto my eyelid as if I'm applying a liner. This is going to really work easily for you guys if you don't know how to really do eye makeup looks. Go on and add the same color onto your bottom lash line as well. Make sure that once you're done with that, you use a fluffy brush to blend everything upwards onto your lid. This will really provide a very pretty dimension. For more color and for more definition, you can take a darker color and add it to your outer V like I did. From the same palette, I went in with the shade 1991. It's a very pretty nude color and I'm adding it to the inner corner as well as half of my lid, so it really adds on that cute little detail on there. You can still rock this eye look even if you have hooded eyes, so give it a shot. If you want to pack more color, use a smaller brush. Keeping it really classy, going in with a red lip, you guys. This lipstick is from Smashbox and it's in shade Bouncy. I'm going to be linking all the products in the description, so don't forget to check it out. Also, you guys, if you are planning to invest into good lipsticks, then this is the best lipstick that you can get your hands on. I didn't really want it to go matte, so I used the Body Shop's BOOMM on my lips, and look, it looks so pretty. I'm ditching falsies for this look, so I'm just making sure that my natural lashes are really curled up and they're really nicely up there, so they can really take in the mascara and make my eyes look even prettier. For my mascara today, I'm going in with this Lash Paradise from L'Oreal Paris. If you guys want to get a dupe for Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, then you must get this mascara. Just doing a little tight lining onto my waterline area, and once that is done, here's the final look. This is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys like it because I'm really enjoying this look on me. I love the softness of the eyes. It is just beautiful, and this nude color inside, it's so it just is mwah. So I'm living for it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your lovely comments in the comment section, and please make sure to check the description box for all the products that I've used in today's video to create this beautiful look. Lots of love, you guys. Take care and stay connected.